All right, what's up, guys? The rock sliders came in. So I looked all over the internet trying to figure out which ones I wanted, and these are the best ones, I think. Looks wise, and quality, and functionality, they got everything. They are Westcott Designs. They're made here in Phoenix, about 30 minutes from my house, actually. All right, so this is gonna be a real quick video, actually, because I'm gonna be honest, they're not too bad, but installation-wise, this one actually took me a couple hours because I had a couple bolts just like fighting back. What you want to do is, there's like 12 bolts on each side. You want to get all 12 in before you start tightening them down. That's pretty much what I did, but I forgot one, and sure enough, that one didn't want to go in. So had to backtrack quite a bit. But if you do all the steps properly, you know, just kind of get them in one by one and then tighten them all down. Once you get them all at least threaded a couple threads, you should be okay. So they're pretty similar, each side. They're slightly different where the holes are, and then on the one side, on the driver's side, it has one of these bolts that have to come out for the there's one of these bolts that have to come out for the brake line, and then you reinstall it back on top. This one has two. I think you have to take out both of them. All right, and then really you don't need too many tools. Like hand tools, perfectly fine. The bolts are 1/2 inch, so really you want a 6-point socket, but with a good ratchet. Ratcheting combination wrench. This one is actually a 13. It works. I didn't have a 1/2 inch one, and then I had a smaller 3/8 drive as well. One thing I'll definitely say though, if you can get a friend to help you out, or a buddy or whatever, I would suggest that. It's perfect. Like, I use jack stands and a floor jack, and it's perfectly fine. It just takes a little bit longer, and probably gonna be feeling it the next day or two. Well, that's it, guys. I'll have a link to these Westcott Designs rock sliders in the description, but catch you next time. Later. Because I do what I do. Go on and hate me, cause I got nothing to prove. Go on and hate me, cause I got nothing to lose.